in the first song, it's about something we like to eat on Chanukah, set to the tune of Downtown, a popular like Chanukah Park. Some of you may know that. And the second song that we're singing is a very special dreidel. It'll start out just like you've always known it. But then it's followed by verses which, for the most part, were written by these students themselves. So again, listen very carefully to the lyrics as the students sing their self-composed ones.
If you want, you're gonna have to.
Oh, dreidel, dreidel, dreidel.